G'day folks, Ben from Snows today showing you the TOAKS LIGHT Titanium 450ml cup.
Hit it.
This little cup is arguably the lightest 450ml cup on the market. It's made with ultra thin titanium, its folding handles, has a silky finish and nests with other TOAKS cooking pots. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. So this is the light 450ml titanium cup from TOAKS in its bag here. This is a slightly padded bag, feels quite good, nice and durable. Just a little drawstring pull on the top there. You can fit TOAKS cutlery, folding cutlery inside here if you want to pack it all together. All TOAKS stuff's made kind of to fit together. Now this measures 8 centimeters in diameter, about 9 centimeters in height, and it's made of a 0.3 millimeter, really thin titanium, which means the whole thing weighs in at just 48 grams. Really lightweight cup. I can barely feel it in my hand here. Basic folding handles here, so you can, it's a little notch there too, so you can get one finger in underneath there, so they fit quite comfortably. What you see is what you get, 450ml capacity. These just fold flat here. Nice finish to this titanium here, a bit of a ridge in the bottom there, so it sits flat on top of any tabletop. You've got measurements on the side that goes up to 300ml. You can actually read it inside there a little bit better than on the outside. 450ml to the top here. You could cook in this if you like, put it on top of a stovetop and cook in that. But that is the light titanium cup from TOAKS. Arguably, at the moment, I believe, the lightest 450ml cup on the market for camping and hiking. Also really durable. Flexes a little bit there, but pack it carefully. You're barely going to notice it in your pack. You can just fit things inside of it. Check these out online at snowies.com.au.